In the pursuit of truth, Union College envisions itself as provider of knowledge, expertise, wisdom, and goodness of character.
Developing excellent graduates of sterling character who are God-fearing and responsive to the need of the global community. Union College was established to bring education to the countryside, to effectively mold the youth for knowledge, expertise, and character, and to produce graduates imbued with a deep sense of consecrated service to God and the community.
Union College provides you with a warm and exciting environment filled with opportunity and growth.
Union College attributes the success of all our students as our commitment to excellence and our commitment to people.
Meeting the needs of the global community and a primer for academic excellence.
Personalized education, lifetime success.
Education beyond expectation.
Enroll now at Union College, Santa Cruz.
Ladderized courses are available.